the other end of the phone. Didn't hear nothing when I said my hello. Oh well, to hell then we go. So high looking at heaven below. You know me though, from coast to coast, with smoking dope. Overdose with the Holy Ghost, but hold the phones, I hold my own. Was local grown, been killing this shit since rode a boat. You know I'm supposed to hold the throne. Be honest, one more drink, I won't be an alcoholic. I don't wanna think like better unconscious. Need fresh air, everything's so toxic. I open coffin doors with a 38 when it's time for war. Told my mama you ain't need no drama. You ain't gotta cry no more now. It'll be alright, my mind on the run, I won't sleep tonight. It's like when it all goes up in flames, who gon' hold me down? And I'm the chosen one, looking all around, what has the world become? The only way to change it is to burn it to the ground. I've been getting paid about 4 or 5 bitches in the Escalade, let it rain. This money feel the same, I'm afraid that I'ma drown. Yeah, 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 yeah. You've never been better than me. From this prison I'm setting them free. Open eyes, I'ma let you see. This world's just like our dreams. I'll throw it all away to celebrate one more holiday. I'm running to the edge, and when I get there, best believe that I'ma jump. See if I can fly. I wonder if I jump. Think that I can fly. It's the life of an entertainer. I need that check, gon' get the waiter. Fuck control, it's destruction mode, and these explosions don't need detonators. I met my maker in an elevator, he was headed to the top floor. We were quite similar, we just did our work, but we were in it for a lot more. We would try to change the world, we got bored. On the rip this show, got an encore. Back when it was still in school, we didn't listen to the list of rules. Wrote a million words on the chalkboard. I don't need answers to the questions of intangibles. I told my homies the top so lonely, but we ain't gonna die, not now. We gon' make it here, live free tonight till the day appear. Let's sit back right where we at and let this money back. How do we get rich? If she acted crazy, you don't need that bitch. Wish I knew back then all the things that I know now. Go on and on, knew I had this shit all along. Take a breath, feel this moment, hold it just so you can. Look where we at, look where we came from. When will we wake up? Lost in translation. You've never been better than me. From this prison I'm setting them free. Open eyes, I'ma let you see. This world's just like our dreams. I'll throw it all away to celebrate one more holiday. I'm running to the edge, and when I get there, best believe it.